Hi friends, welcome back to another video on No Problem Vegan. Today we are making brown basmati rice in the Instant Pot. We get our brown rice from Aldi. We're making this video because we have requests from family and friends who own an Instant Pot and they are unsure how to use it. I too was intimidated by the pressure setting at first, but once you get used to it, you'll be using the Instant Pot like a pro in no time. So let's get started. First off, you're going to want to measure out how much rice you will be making. Then you need to rinse your rice thoroughly. Utilizing a fine mesh strainer makes it easier. For every cup of rice, you're going to want to add 1.5 cups of water. Today I am making 3 cups of rice, therefore I'm adding 4.5 cups of filtered water. This will be enough for at least 6 servings. Plug in your Instant Pot to the power outlet. Grab your Instant Pot lid and cover the pot. Twist the cover into the grooves of the pot to securely close it. Then twist your steam release knob to the right for the pressure setting. Select the pressure button on the control panel and use the minus and plus signs until it is 22 minutes. Allow for a few minutes for the elements to heat up, and once it does, you'll notice the floating valve will rise. This means that the pressuring has begun. Once your rice is done, you will hear the Instant Pot beeping to notify you of its completion. Cautiously, you will then release the steam by twisting the steam release knob to the left on the venting setting. Once the floating valve sinks, then you will twist the lid to the left to open. Be careful of the steam while opening the pot. And there you have it, fluffy, delicious brown rice. Please give us a like and subscribe for more videos to follow.